Hi, Mylis. We want you to try some lemon. You try some? Do you like it? Yeah?
It's not that
Here, try some more.
Can I try some more? Can I try some more, Papa? Papa, can I try
Was that was too sour?
Can we try some again? Try again.
She didn't like it, huh?
Can I try some? Can I try some?
I think she likes it.
Can I try some? Can I try some?
So cute.
Can I try some? Can I try some?
Very little, Jonas.
Can I try some?
She's so cute.
Can I try some?
She knows what sour tastes like.
Can I